Abby here at Kippard's Trailer Sales in Olympia, Washington to show you this Big Tex 14 LD dump trailer. This trailer is 7x14, 14,000 pound rated. It has the I-beam frame, a scissor lift. You have your adjustable coupler, your drop leg jack. You have a charger here inside the box that you can hook up to your house to charge your batteries. Your pump is inside this enclosed box with your battery, your controller. It has stake pockets if you want to build up your sides. It comes with the barn doors that open up in the back. You have your space holder if you want to add a tarp to this trailer. It has 20-inch sides, nice steps, diamond plated fenders. This trailer is a great price here at Kippard's Trailer Sales in Olympia, Washington. Come see me, Abby.
Headed for the sky, wonder how that'll feel. Ready to be living it, making dividends. Winning is a goal, and I know that I'm getting it. My rise to the top is getting imminent. Waiting on the challengers, go ahead and